What's up, folks? Hope you all are good. This is Prakhar Pathak, and this is my very first, I must say, very first effort to make a video on a book, which is the number one New York Times bestseller, Make Your Bed by William H. McRaven. Hope you like the content. Share, subscribe, and will hit the bell icon. Without any further ado, let's jump into the conversation. So starting off with the cover is quite simple as you can see. It's white in background, some information displayed over in the front as well as some information in the back. The front says the number one New York Times bestseller, Make Your Bed, things, little things that can change your life and maybe the world by William H. McRaven. Now, the back, there are some quotes. The first one is from the Wall Street Journal, a book to inspire your children and grandchildren to become everything they can. The second quote is by Forbes, which says superb, smart, and succinct. The incredible number one New York Times bestseller. So, while reading this, so first of all, while I was reading this book, it was quite simple in language as well as in the content, and it was so engaging that I completed this book within 4 hours, and the lessons were so deep that you'll be definitely gonna engage in this book. The first lesson itself says the first lesson is start your day with a task completed. And as the book says, make your bed, so we can figure out what the task is. The task is quite simple, that you have to make your bed, your comfortable, your bed sheet, your pillows should be aligned in a proper way that you should be manageable enough. Now you have completed the first task of your day, which is to make your bed. Now it gives you motivation, right? Throughout the day you'll be motivated that I have completed my first task. Now the other tasks as well you have to complete. The first lesson is quite simple but very effective, because most of the people from our generation especially are people who don't even care how the hell their beds are looking, right? So this is, after reading this lesson, I started making my own bed in a certain way that I used to feel quite satisfied while sleeping at the night as well as while waking up, because I have some tasks to complete throughout the day. The chapter 2 says you can't go it alone. You need people, you need support of people. All these lessons are from the real life experiences of Mr. William H. McRaven, who is a US Navy retired, right? And during the training days of his SEAL, which is, let me check what SEAL means, the United States Navy Sea, Air, and Land Teams, commonly known as Navy SEALs. This is what Google says. And all the experiences are real life experiences. Moving forward to the third chapter, it says only the size of your heart matters, which is quite deep lesson, because most of us are forming some kind of judgments. You, me, all of us are forming judgments while seeing a person. Now I won't ruin the lesson for you. I won't be telling the crux of any of the lessons. Now the chapter 4, which is life's not fair, drive on. Chapter 5 says failures can make you stronger. These things we have already listened, but we how all these things are actually written in this book is very interesting. Chapter 6 says you must dare greatly, take risks in your life, right? Then you'll be getting some while there is a saying, in a business, that the more the risk you take, the more profitable you become. Kind of same, but the implication is on life, right? Now the chapter 7 says stand up to the bullies, you understand. Chapter 8 says rise to the occasion. Chapter 9 says give people hope. Hope is something which people need nowadays. Most of the people need hope. Chapter 10 says never ever quit. So these are the 10 lessons written in this book in a very simple manner. It's not a very big book. I mean, it's only 130 pages. The, the 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 language is quite simple. We all can get this thing and can imply all these lessons on our own lives, right? So Other than that, if you want to buy this book, I'll be mentioning the link the in the comment box. uh, the 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 Amazon says that make your bed. This book is of rupees 304 Indian rupees, and that's it. I mean, it's a great book. It's a great learning, and I found it quite engaging, as well as the content, the language, everything was simple according to me. If I have to give it a rating from let's say 10, I would rate it 9.5. That's the perfect. That's how a book becomes number one New York Times bestseller, right? So hope you like this video. That's it. We'll another book which I have started reading is The Alchemist. So if you want me to review this book as well, let me know in the comment section. We'll do another review for this book. 65 million copies sold till now by Paulo Coelho. So that's it for today's video, and hope you like the content. Again, this is my first video. I was very excited while making this thing. And thank you so much, and we'll meet again soon. Bye bye. Take care.